go ahead. Say, we're here to review Ryan's toys. Yeah. How much do you love Ryan?
So much.
So much? Would you like to meet him?
Yeah.
Tell him he should come to Florida.
Like with us?
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you need help?
No.
No?
I think I need scissors. Can I go get scissors?
Yep, go get scissors.
I can cut into it.
We got a Ryan safe. Ryan's World safe. It's got 53 pieces inside.
No. It's 30. I got these scissors. Mommy, I got these scissors.
Okay, hand them here because they're...
Mommy,
No, let Mommy do them.
But Mommy, I know how to cut inside.
I know. But this
school.
is big scissors. Big grown-up scissors.
Yeah, I know
Oh,
how to
get
do
your key. Okay, here. Turn this way. Let's cut it out. Are you excited?
Yeah, and I want Ryan to meet me.
You want Ryan to meet you? Take it out.
Okay. Merry Christmas.
Turn it like this so we can all see. Oh, here we go. Is it all the way in?
Yeah.
Now turn. Here, let me see. Let me see. Hold on. Let's try it like this. Oh, maybe you gotta push that up. There it is. Whoa.
Okay.
Here, sit it up like this so we can all see.
Who's doing this push?
What is that? Here.
I got it.
You got it?
The other one was hammer.
You got a hammer.
And some pseudo eggs. Nothing inside.
Are you sure?
No. Maybe it's inside. I think this was all. Egg, plastic one. And I got a sticker.
You got a sticker and what else?
My blaster egg, my blaster gun.
Oh, it's a gun?
And I got diamond. And I got a Winewood figure.
What figure did you get? Oh, look at that diamond. That's a pretty diamond.
Now, hell.
What color diamonds are they?
This one's purple and this one's blue. Sissy, that's your favorite color.
Aww.
Okay, you're welcome. Smashing number 2.
Whoa, is that what that's for?
Because it says, I got Ryan.
Who'd you get?
Ryan. It's astronaut Ryan.
Oh, easy on that.
Glasses. I'm going to do that next, okay, Mom?
Okay.
What's the cool? Thanks, Santa.
I'll get them.
I got Combo, Mo, and Gus. I got some wings. Sissy, do you want one? Do you want one?
No, I'm
of
fine.
these? Okay. You want a wing, Mom?
Sure.
Here's one. Here's Gus.
Wow, I got Gus.
Mommy, here's all the stickers I got.
Nice.
Now this one. I want to do this one.
Okay, let me get this one away.
The next one is going to be this one. Oh, glasses. Made my glass. Number 1. Number 2. Oh, number 3. And number 2. There's number 2. Number 2. 1, 3. 2 and 3. Look, it's a robot. Oh. I got a robot. I hope it can say. Okay.
What's that song? I'm gonna build me a robot.
It's gonna be my best friend. I'm gonna be a robot. Grab some tools and let's begin.
I'm gonna build me a robot. Is that what you're doing now?
There's a special key. I got this special key.
What's in there now?
Something else.
Oh, it says the 4th and final surprise. Uh-oh. Here, let me see your key, and Mommy, I'll help you open it.
But I know how to open it.
Let me see the key.
Mommy, I know how to open
Come here, we'll open it together.
it. But I can open it all by myself.
Okay, you gotta stick it right here. Oops. Oh, wait, here. This might have some tape or something on it.
Can I do more toys?
Hold on. Uh-oh, there it is. What is it?
Quiet money!
We didn't even have to stick the key in. I don't know if I like that. So
And
fun.
confetti!
Confetti! What's this?
Coin. And then
What's this?
a golden ball.
A silver bar.
What do you do inside?
I don't know. It's kind of okay. That's it. That's it, baby. I didn't even have to open it. See?
That's where you can store your money inside.
I think it's broken right there.
Not broke.
It was because we didn't even have to stick the key in, and you got your little final surprise. We got
Money.
giant
Gold.
Oh.
silver money. That is so cool.
What's inside of there?
Nothing. It's just, that's it.
Can you open this?
Okay, so overall we got money.
Money.
We got a silver bar.
More money.
We got more money. What else did we get? We got a robot.
Robot and Ryan's for figure.
We got a Ryan's World figure. We got glasses. We got a safe opener. We got stickers. And we got, where's,
A body.
yeah, we got a body to Orion, but where's the head?
It's right there.
Where?
Where is that head?
Oh. So we got a body, but no head. That's silly. There's no head.
Sissy, I got your favorite color. You can have it.
That's nice.
And I got you another ring. Another one for you, Sissy.
You got a diamond? Wow.
I got 2 diamonds. Sissy got 2 diamonds too.
Okay, so what do you think? Are you happy with this or no?
I'm happy.
You're happy? Okay, as long as you're happy.
Mommy, where's the egg blaster?
I don't know.
It was there.
All right, that's it for us on the Ryan's safe. Here, let's put our stuff back in for now.
So, Mommy, I'm going to test this out.
Whoa.
I'm going to do one more. I have one.
Okay, do one more and then we'll say bye-bye to everybody. Whoa.
I'm going to see it all over there.
Good job. All right, say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye.